What's up, guys? It's Dipon from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're exploring all things Answerly, the human-friendly AI chatbot that learns your entire business and engages with your customers 24/7. Let's kick things off with Answerly's Knowledge Hub. Think of it as a hungry chatbot student. All you have to do is feed it info about your business, but you won't have to write a novel. You can literally just copy-paste stuff from your website, marketing materials, Zoom call transcripts, or whatever else you got. And don't worry about making it perfect. Answerly's AI is smart enough to make sense of everything you drop in. And check this out. Answerly isn't just a standard text box. It can see. It's called Visions. And here's how it works. Just upload images and describe them in a few words, and your Answerly chatbot will add that to its mega brand. Now it can share visual responses to customers in chat. Your new AI is going to be busy answering questions, sending graphs, screenshots, reference materials, and links right when they need it. Where do I sign up? Oh, right here. Just gotta click that Buy Now button and get started. Or you can stick around for a few more features. Let's talk about the Discover feature. This one's cool. Once you fed the AI some information about your biz, Answerly goes all Sherlock Holmes on. It analyzes your info to come up with questions your customers might ask. It looks for holes in your support data and helps fill it. Talk about anticipating your customers' needs. Of course, we've got a whole bunch of chatbot settings. Answerly gives you a ton of options to personalize your AI assistant, like naming it, choosing a personality, customizing the meetings, and tweaking the appearance. Answerly can transform your customer support, streamline customer onboarding, and boost your sales. So what are you waiting for? Grab your lifetime deal on Answerly before it's gone.